Hey gadget lovers, welcome to another exciting video where we're revealing the coolest Amazon gadgets you absolutely have to see for 2020. From cutting edge tech to unique finds, these products are sure to impress. Don't miss out. Links to all the gadgets are in the description below.
Elevate your culinary experience with the Lodge 6-quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven in a vibrant apricot hue. This stunning piece not only enhances your kitchen aesthetic but also serves as your ultimate cooking companion, perfect for broiling, braising, baking, or roasting at temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Crafted with a durable porcelain enamel that bonds seamlessly to cast iron, this Dutch oven ensures even heat distribution and superior heat retention, making it ideal for creating mouth-watering meals. Its smooth interior promotes easy cooking and cleaning, while the dual handles provide a secure grip for effortless transport from stovetop to table. As a family-owned brand since 1896, Lodge stands for quality and tradition, ensuring that every piece is made with non-toxic materials, reflecting their commitment to both the environment and community. Make this Dutch oven a staple in your kitchen and enjoy the art of cooking like never before. Keep your little ones hydrated in style with the Owala Kids FreeSip insulated stainless steel water bottle. Featuring a vibrant pink and green design, this 16-ounce bottle is perfect for sports, travel, and school adventures. The innovative FreeSip spout allows kids to sip upright through the built-in straw or tilt back for a quick swig, ensuring they stay refreshed on the go. With double-wall insulation, drinks stay cold for up to 24 hours, while the protective push-to-open lid keeps the spout clean and ready for action. Elevate your cooking experience with the Pyrex 3-piece measuring cup set, designed for both wet and dry ingredients. This essential kitchen tool includes 1 cup, 2 cup, and 4 cup tempered glass measuring cups, perfect for all your baking and cooking needs. With easy-to-read measurements in ounces and milliliters, you'll never second-guess your ingredient quantities. The ergonomic handles and curved spouts ensure mess-free pouring, while the microwave-safe design allows for quick melting and heating. Trusted by generations, Pyrex is the #1 brand of glass prepware, combining durability and affordability for both novice and experienced cooks. Enjoy the convenience of dishwasher, freezer, and oven-safe glass that won't absorb odors or stains, making it a must-have for any kitchen. Discover the ultimate cooking companion with the Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker, designed for large families and entertaining. Its generous 7-quart capacity easily accommodates over 9 servings or a 7-pound roast, making it perfect for gatherings. Enjoy the flexibility of high or low cooking settings, along with a convenient warm function to keep your meals at the ideal serving temperature. With its set it and forget it feature, you can effortlessly prepare delicious dishes while focusing on your daily tasks. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the one-pot cooking design, and both the lid and removable stoneware are dishwasher safe. The versatile stoneware insert can also be used in the microwave or oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, adding to its practicality. Featuring a sleek stainless steel exterior with stylish black accents and practical plastic handles, this slow cooker not only performs well but also enhances your kitchen decor. Enjoy economical and healthy home-cooked meals with ease. Elevate your hydration game with the HydroJug Traveler, a 20-ounce water bottle designed for the on-the-go lifestyle. Featuring a vibrant green handle and a convenient cup holder fit, this tumbler is perfect for any adventure, whether you're hiking, at the gym, or commuting. Built to last, the HydroJug Traveler boasts a leak-resistant design and a non-slip rubber base, ensuring durability and peace of mind. With its stylish appearance and easy-to-clean features, this water bottle is not just functional but also a chic accessory for both men and women. Enjoy your favorite beverages at the perfect temperature for 24 hours, thanks to its triple-wall stainless steel insulation. Make every sip a refreshing experience with the HydroJug Traveler, your new favorite companion for hydration. Unleash your culinary creativity with the Ninja Blender, designed for everything from smoothies to salsas. With a powerful 1000-watt motor and a generous 72 ounces pitcher, this blender effortlessly crushes ice, fruits, and veggies, making it perfect for large family batches or entertaining guests. Experience professional versatility with total crushing technology that transforms ice into snow and blends ingredients into velvety sauces and dips in seconds. Plus, the included 10-recipe guide sparks inspiration for your next delicious creation, while the BPA-free, dishwasher-safe design ensures easy cleanup. Introducing the Mueller Pro Series V-Blade Veggie Chopper, the ultimate solution for faster food prep that transforms your kitchen experience. Designed for efficiency, this versatile tool allows you to effortlessly chop, slice, and dice with 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades, making meal preparation a breeze. Crafted from professional-grade, heavy-duty ABS, this chopper ensures unmatched durability and safety, featuring a push-down lid that keeps your fingers away from the blades. With a generous 7.5-cup food container, you can declutter your countertop while keeping your ingredients fresh. Say goodbye to fast food and hello to nutritious meals made in half the time, all while enjoying the convenience of live customer care for any questions you may have. Elevate your kitchen experience with the KitchenAid Ribbed Soft Silicone Pot Holder 2-pack set in a stunning aqua sky. Designed for durability, these pot holders can withstand heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your hands stay safe while handling hot cookware. Featuring a waterproof and slip-resistant design, the textured ribbed stripe on one side provides a secure grip, making cooking and baking a breeze. Each pot holder measures 7 inches by 9 inches, offering ample coverage and comfort, with a cotton side for added heat protection and a convenient hanging loop for easy storage. Cleaning is a snap, just rinse and wipe, and you're ready for your next culinary adventure. Introducing the NutriBullet NBY-50100 Baby Complete Food Making System, your ultimate kitchen companion for creating fresh, nutritious meals for your little one. This versatile system allows you to blend wholesome ingredients effortlessly, ensuring your baby enjoys delicious homemade food packed with essential nutrients. With a 32-ounce batch bowl and multiple storage options, you can prepare, store, and freeze meals for convenient grab-and-go feeding. The dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze, while the BPA-free, durable plastic ensures safety and longevity. Elevate your baby's mealtime with this all-in-one food-making solution. Elevate your cooking experience with the Simply Gourmet measuring cups and spoons set of 12, crafted from premium 304 stainless steel. This durable, dishwasher-safe set includes 6 measuring cups and 6 spoons, designed for both liquid and dry ingredients, ensuring precise measurements every time. Say goodbye to guesswork in the kitchen. Each cup and spoon features engraved US and metric measurements for universal readability, while the flat base design prevents spills and messes. With long handles that fit narrow jars, this set is as practical as it is stylish, making it a perfect gift for any occasion.